Rubik's Cube object making videos are going absolutely viral all over social media right now, and these are genuinely some of the most satisfying and visually addictive pieces of content on the internet at this moment. And here is the best part. This niche is still almost completely unsaturated. This is going to be the next big viral AI niche all over the internet, and the creators who get in early are going to have a serious advantage. So if you start now, you are already ahead of everyone else. Now watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. No time wasted. Here is exactly how you can create these for completely free right now. Head straight to the description below and open the detailed prompt I have already written for you. Copy the entire prompt carefully from start to finish without missing a single word. Once you have it fully copied, head directly over to Google Flow. Select the video option. From the top, click on Ingredients and set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for that perfect vertical format. Choose Omni Flash as your video model and set your video duration to 10 seconds. And here is one small but important thing. Make sure to set your video outputs to more than one so you have extra options to choose the best result from. Now paste the full prompt directly into the field. Now head to the very beginning of the prompt and enter your desired object name right next to the object name section inside the prompt. This is the object that will be built and sculpted entirely out of Rubik's Cubes. Once your object name is in place, hit generate, and within just a couple of seconds, your viral Rubik's Cube object making video will be completely finished and ready to post. Now, let's watch the full result together. So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.